Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check hotspot password on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So in order to do this, we need to go to the settings. If you have enabled portable hotspot before, then you should find it over here in the settings, in the main menu of the settings, over here. If not, then you will need to go to more connectivity options, and then at the top over here you should find portable hotspot. You can go there, and it should look like this once you enter this option. Now, in order to get the hotspot password, we need to enable the hotspot first, so tap on the slider in order to turn it on, and then go to set up portable hotspot. Over here we have our password. We can press on this I in order to reveal our password. If you want to, you can also tap on the password in order to change it. And if you want to apply these changes, you want to tap on this check in the top right corner over here. And after that, the hotspot will restart in order to apply the new password. You can also generate the QR code in order to be able to share it with other devices so that they can scan the QR code instead of entering the password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.